Hi, I'm Kevin Pelly, CEO of Kohltech Windows and Entrance Systems. In 1982, Peter Kohler's vision began to take shape in Debert, Nova Scotia. Over the past 40 years, with the outstanding support of our family of employees, dealers, and loyal customers, Kohltech has become a leader in the window and door business across Canada and in the United States. I want to personally welcome you to our 40th anniversary celebration.
We started as a small company in rural Nova Scotia with that small rural attitude. That never went away.
Being one of the first employees, I have seen the place grow so much in the 40 years. Like I said, we went from 4 employees to over 300 just in this building, plus the companies in Ontario and one in Alberta.
I think the reason Kohltech's been around for 40 years is their attention to detail, understanding, again, the Canadian market from coast to coast, and developing products that keep enhancing their presentation for us.
Happy 40th, Kohltech!
Happy 40th anniversary, Kohltech!
A happy 40th anniversary to Kohltech Windows and Doors, and here's to another 40 years of outstanding quality service and innovation for our customers.
Happy 40th! Happy anniversary, Kohltech. 40 years, 40 more to come.
Happy birthday, Kohltech, 40 years.
Happy 40th to everybody at Kohltech. Here's to another 40 years. God bless.
Our most important asset is our people. I think we've built more of a family than simply a team. We are using the same philosophy we developed in rural Nova Scotia to create a safe, respectful, and sustainable place to work across the country. We believe every Kohltech employee plays a critical role in building innovative quality products and delivering outstanding service to our customers.
I love working here because of the company itself. I've been here for almost 14 years, so I think that says it itself. Having a company as great as Kohltech, you stay, like there's no reason to leave.
I really like it working here. That's why I've been here for so long, and I'm planning to stay here longer. The people we work with, they are more like family because we see them every day and we have a great relationship.
My favorite part of my job is everyone I get to see every day and work with. I've met some of the best people in my life in the last 4 years while working here.
My favorite part of working here, I guess, is interacting with all the different people, whether it's customers, employees, and I think if we keep doing the things that we've done in the past, that should lead to us being around a lot longer, so I'm pretty excited about the future.
By growing across the country, it just shows me the strength of them as a company, that they're here for the long run. They're not just going to be here and gone. Very much congratulations, and keep doing what you've been doing.
Congratulations to everyone at Kohltech for 40 years of success.
Congratulations and all the best in the future.
Happy 40th birthday, Kohltech, with another 40 to come and many more.
On behalf of Southland Lumber Chinmark, we'd like to wish Kohltech a very happy 40th birthday. It's been a great experience working with you so far, and we look forward to doing more business with you in the future.
I think it's fantastic we've been able to make it to 40 years. You know, we made it certainly on the backs of supporting our dealers, and we want to continue to do that. I think if we continue to do that and have that focus, we're going to continue to be successful for another 10, 20, 30, 40 years.
Well, first I would say congratulations, because you don't stay in business for 40 years by accident. It takes hard work, it takes commitment, and it takes a team. Nobody does it on their own.
From my family and my team here at Hudson Hardware, I'd like just to give a big congratulations to all of you at the 40 years, and we look forward to working together for another 40 years.
Over the past 40 years, Kohltech has achieved outstanding growth, tremendous resilience while producing leading-edge innovation in our industry. And while this anniversary is an important benchmark, I'm even more excited about what's ahead for our company. Thank you for joining in our celebration, and I invite you to join Kohltech as we continue building windows on a better future.